exercise 1.1, seventh question, the last question. Okay, let A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8, and B is equal to set of all prime numbers less than 8, C is equal to set of even prime numbers. So we have to verify that this both, right? So first we have to build the set. How it is given? Sets A, B and C, they are all given in descriptive form, right? You have learned in 9th standard, all the sets are given in descriptive form, in words, right? We have to build the sets A, B and C. And what is A? All natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, right? But less than 8. Condition is less than 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, B is a set of all prime numbers less than 8. Prime number starts from 2, right? 2, 3, 5, 7. Next, C. What is C? A set of even prime number. Okay. The only even prime number is what? 2 only, right? 2 should not be confused because it is given set. Set means the set of this open curly braces and closed curly braces. It means set of even prime number. There is only one number, 2. Only even prime number is 2. So we got the sets in roster form now, right? Now we can come to the question to prove LHS equal to RHS. The first one is A intersection B. Left hand side I am taking first. LHS A intersection B cross C. So what is A intersection B? First we need to find out A intersection B. So the common elements between A and B. 2 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 is common. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Next we are going to cross product this with C. C we have only 1, right? So 2, 3, 5, 7 cross 2. Write this step, okay? So that you will not miss anything. So now do the cross product. 2, 2. So all the possible ordered pairs. So what will come? 2, 2. Next, only one element. Next we can go for 3. 3, 2. Next, 5, 2. Next, 7, 2. Okay, finish. This is what LHS. Okay, this is our LHS. Next, RHS is A cross C intersection B cross C. So A cross C. So A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So cross what? C. Only 2. So what will come? And easily write 1 with 2, 2 with 2. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, next 7, 2. Next B cross C. So B with C. So what is that? B is 2, 3, 5, 7 cross 2. So every element should be cross product with 2. So what will come? 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. Okay, now we finish this both. Next, we have to find the intersection. Intersection means what? Both we found it. Common element. So which is the common element? 1, 2, 1, 2 is there. 2, 2 is there. Here 2, 2. So this is one common. 3, 2 is also common. Next, 5, 2 is common. Next, 7, 2 is common. So we can write it down. Is equal to 2, 2. Only the common elements because intersection. 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. So this is our RHS. You can look at now LHS. Whether both are same. Yes, here also all the elements here ordered pairs are same. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. Okay, this is true now. Now we are going to the next one. A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. So A cross B difference C. What is B difference C? So B we have what we have B 2, 3, 5, 7 difference C. So what do you mean by this difference C? So we have to take out the elements of C from B if it is present. See here, it's like just like subtraction. B difference C. Okay, so we are subtracting the C elements from B. So this 2 is present here, right? So what will come here remaining? Remaining elements are what? 3, 5, 7. We don't want C, right? From B. So 3, 5, 7. That's all. Next, A cross. So we are going to cross product A with B. B different C. So what is A? We have a big set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross with what? 3, 5, 7. Now we can do the cross product. What will come? First 1 with all the elements, next 2 with all the elements. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 5, 3, 3. Yes, first 3, 3. Next 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 4 over. Next 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Next 5 over. 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. The big list. Okay, it's over. A cross B different C only over. Okay, because left hand side A cross B different C, right? But we are doing now cross product, right? A cross B different C is over now. Next RHS. Okay, like this is our LHS. Next RHS. A cross B difference A cross C. So A cross B we should find out first. What is A cross B? A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross B is what? 2, 3, 5, 7. So the list goes lengthy 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. One we finish. Next 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Next 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Okay, this is our first A cross B. Next A cross C. What is A cross C? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with C. C is very simple, right? 2. So the cross product becomes 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. That's all, right? So now LHS, RHS part, right? LHS is over. This is LHS. RHS only we are coming. A cross B difference A cross C. Okay? We are going to subtract A cross C from A cross B like that. Okay? A cross B, we have a big list here. You can see here. This list. Right? So we are going to subtract A cross C. So just see the common elements, you can take it out. 1, 2 is there, right? So 1, 2 you don't want to write. Next 1, 3 is not there. 2, 2 is also there. You don't want to write it. 3, 2. 3, 2 is there. So don't want to write 3, 2. 4, 2 will be, is there. 4, 2. Next 5, 2, no need to write. Next 6, 2 also no need to write. Next 7, 2 also no need to write. So remaining all the elements you should write. That will be our RHS. Okay. What are the elements? 1, 2 is not there, right? So 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next 2, 2 is not there. So 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 2 is not there. So 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 2 is not there. 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 2 is not there. So 5, 3, 5, 5, 5 comma 7. Next 6 comma 2 is not there, so 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 7. Next 7 comma 2 is not there, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. This will be the final list RHS. Now you can compare LHS with RHS. So which is LHS? See here, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. Both are same. You can check it. Okay. So LHS will be equal to RHS. Hence verified. So in 10th standard they will ask a 5-mark question, right? They will give the sets like this in set builder form or descriptive form, okay, or roster form also they will give, but mostly you will get like this descriptive form or set builder form, okay. The first alone they will ask because it will be very lengthy, okay. First part will be 5-mark question, okay.